set a man in his course, appointed by heaven, the Lord permitted it not. In the name of he who died and lay in the grave and arose triumphant on the third day, we speak into play Ides. We speak to the oracles of Arturos, to the decisions of Orion and Mazzaroth, to the zodiacs, and we declare, get yourself and be broken in pieces. Assemble yourself from the east, north, south, and west, and be broken in pieces. Take your counsels in the regions of the sea, and it shall come to naught. Speak your word, and it shall not stand, for God is with us. Shine with a shout of fire. Satan, hear ye the word of
official YouTube and Facebook FPNTV. Baby, I will show me free piano. Good afternoon. And that's also a Joada 25th August 2025. Ya share week for ase. Ewie adechie mu nsem re na aduru. Ye bedi nkomo afa Ghana teseng Ghana seseng political show a dani nya ya de bre yahwefo ne yetiefo emo muhu de ekoso ewo Ghana. We are Sumeda, my production crew, as headed by our prof. We are so Abeka Yensa, after so Azeman, and ya in Yaba, and Obaba call Damim, Madam Part B a guy. Na ewie ye bekasa afa Akwatia and our face also NPP, the New Patriotic Party. Now, ye bedi kaya yen share common as infant free Akwatia elections. Nyamiya aduma ene week pepe na by election Akwatia amanfo party ma ekoto aba eyi meshebrege ni foforo a obeden obedi Akwatia constituency no anim na say last week me be ye discussion bi wa ha efa abatoɔ no emu the Ghana Police Service and the two major political parties, which is the NPP and the NDC, ekotnase nhyehyɛ sɛ election ebekɔ so den no mo bɛyɛ ama bambo etimi edimu ɛwɔ Akwatia election na enne ya anope ya update ana sɛ dia esi ɛwɔ Akwatia ne sɛ the national security any Ghana Police Service etimi ache nkrofo 10 suspects 10 china omuchi omu no manchi omu kra akwa omukuta machines ene eniyama bi a yede kɔ akon a police for no echi omu no omukuta pump action gun baku nkoa 8 omukuta asekan ene eniyama a omudi ekɔ akon na ewie mi bisa se ene week pepepe na election no eba so hwan mu na abo sankrofo yi pa so omumfa sa ne man edi kan enko Akwatia election bia yese ko kire wadwene enye ntokwa ko ne ko kire wadwene na adinkyire na wo ko kire no den ne sekan ne atuo ene eniema ense fatabe na moyere mudi edi kan akɔ Akwatia yebebo Ghana Police Service abaso yie papa se omutimi chi sa emrantie na anya NDC a NPP because these are the two major political parties omo koyi omo mrashe bedwani MP omo ko elect omo new MP. Last week ye din komo mebre e ka kire the youth of Akwatia say omo nsoli entia sa eniema wei emfa impuntuo embre omo as a constituency. Say abanu ye beto ni ato ni ye a sa eniema wei bi no e je say ye den ye twi ye hu free sa eniema wi. Violence in election enye ye kan wasem last week na ya on 25th August ya police Ghana police ama ya say nkrofo du ana ya chi omo a omo kuta weapons ebi a pump action gun na ye busa say elections by election identity ya violence no edoso. Ghana Police Service IGP ashe Akwatia manfo say this will be the peaceful by elections ever ewo Ghana ha say nti onua wabɔ ne ho pɔ sɛ okwa akodi nsɛmbɔne no ɔnhwɛ ne ho yie papa because elections way by elections way IGP ne mrantie sɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ Akwatia, the people of Akwatia ɔmo bɛbɔ ɔmo ho ban na ɔmo bɔ ɔmo ho ban na yɛ soso yɛ ahwɛ yie sɛ yɛnkɔ kasa entia obi yɛnkɔ yɛ eniema a ɛde violence ɛbɛba election nase because as at now no Akwatia ayɛ hye papa Akwatia ehuru the two big political parties campaign no ɛda so a ɛkɔso moma yɛmfa nukredie ɛna enye campaign because se Ghana bɛyɛ yi a ɛyɛ menewa ɛna ɛkyɛ sɛ yɛka eniema a ɛnyɛ na yɛatenetene yɛayɛ ho den na dem pɔte panti ɛna nkrofo yi ɛde pump action guns any weapons edi kan akwa Akwatia ɛkyɛ sɛ Ghana police mo bɔ mo ho modern so every checkpoint bia mo ma security ni enye tight mo ma ne nye more because nkrofo bia bɔ mo tiri mu pɔ sɛ ɔmo bedi bɔne ɛwɔ Akwatia by elections yi mu wahyɛ amanfoɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ peaceful but then yenye ɛbɛma after the elections yɛnte basabasa yenya violence ɛwɔ elections ni mu 2nd September next week Monday by elections na ɛba so ɛkyerɛ sɛ the youth ɛyɛ bɔkɔɔ na ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo kɔto aban eyi a member of parliament a ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo a ɛpɛ ye movie on na over the week or last week mu the new patriotic party the NPP amenyoko ɛde letter bi ɛyɛ den ɛbɛto dwa a letter na ɔmo de bɛto dwa no asekyerɛ ne emu nsɛm ɛne sɛ ɔmo grante amnesty ama political party ɔmo members a ɔmo suspended ɔmo afei so ɔmo a free ɔmo pem ɛyɛ den ɛde free party nim ɔmo amnesty because ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ de ɔmo nyinaa ɛsa ba back na ɔmo push the agenda 2028 na nkrofo a ɔmo free party no ɔmo suspend ɔmo ebi ɛyɛ Honorable Paul Afoko the former national chairman for the new patriotic party omo suspended no afei so omo a omo free mu ya honorable former MP for Adenta constituency Boaben Asamoah ono so ofiri mu koi afei so Alan Kojo Chirematin ono so den efiri mu koi ana honorable Hobson Adoye ono so den efiri mu koi enti we ni afoforo binum ana party na tena sese da bi eche se yehwe na we mu nyia ayeden eba back to the party na empenifo ede letter yi ebetu udwai ana the camp of Baumia oye kasamafo ede ma Baumia team eso so eto abobo eto emmuba eba park ni so se omunye den omu hia Hobson Adoye ewo party maker Miracle Dennis Abuaje wadidi nkomo mebre edi afa Hobson ba opese oba the New Patriotic Party nimbiem enumu na Hobson so de abetu dwa se emprempren mu de onu Hobson no NPP kra enya na kono se obesa ba back because baby ya owo no nani gi ewo ho papa enti NPP enya na kono na enumu na me pese ye clarification kakra ewo ha sei am say Miracle we shall see edi the New Patriotic Party empanifo bi ewo ho ansana we ubeje sa position and say ubeji sa dibre no as a member of the communication team for the former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia na onkasaye ni mu bi ya kwa chire too much eche se wodi ni die ede ma die ni die den ese no Hobson Adoye ye kan wasum the NPP ye papa wasum the political party NPP very well ba eniema bi na ye den anko yie ene man ye den etwe ne ho efri amanuoko nim enti as a young and fine politician eche se aka ukọ ne nase for advice ene niema a obeye den ubestimi aye ba se uba back ebe tutu abo egu nkrofo ani se omo mu hia omo ewo party ni ma na entwa yie because your other colleagues so kasetia nkomo a ukodi interviews a uko grantee ewo various stations condemn sade no as a young politician echese usua eniema adadafo no ye de eyeto ho because ebi mu buy ebe nya those position ebi mu ba ebe esum yie ema omutimi de mo party ni ye den eba aban ntinka omu busa that question na nke se obe den obe kasa mebre afa ho because musimo pe unity na mu pe unity ewo mo party ni mu a these are certain mistakes amoye ema esa eden echo back to the normal state as a communicator there I just saw eden you should know when and how our eden ube communicate to the audience because next year 31st August na mo party no echo back akoyi omo flag bearer. It is who generated this issue na aside the mo ekwo akire more because when nsem bia mo kan ye ena ma thank you to no mutiere mu breaki thank you to no mind man ye anwie because na mente me ho ase eden ewo ebinimu ti as a fine gentleman, a fine politician there deɛ wobɛka no na ɔmanfoɔ yɛ de etie nti na ehu hia sɛ hopsin adɔyɛ issue no wɛrɛ wobɛbɔ so more because ɔno sɛ no baabi a waduru no woyɛ ne den a ba na ɔmba because yɛka nkurɔfoɔ a 2012 to 2016 ɔmo boa yie campaigning ma past government which is Nana Addo Dankwa aban a untimi nyi hopsin adɔyɛ emfrim ɔyɛ campaign ehwɛ ehu sɛ mo party no ɛbɛba back toward power nsɛm bi say or nsɛm bi ankɔ yie ɛna ɛmaa no yɛ den ɛde te no na ɔde ate ne ho na sɛ mo sɛ ɛma amnesty for suspended people ɛne ɔmo a ɔmo de ɔmo pɛ free mu a na eni ho kwan sɛ wɔyɛ wɔde saa nkɔmɔ no ɛba abɛto dwa yɛ movie on a na yɛkɔ the flag bearership of the NPP MCA Mr. Robert Mama me video bi a Baumia ene Kennedy ɛyɛ den interacting me pese me ka bibi ɛwɔ hɔ kame akɔyɛ sɛ both parties meka Kennedy honorable Kennedy ɔhene Japan ene Dr. Mahmudu Baumia obia ɛtutu bi ɛden ɛma ne yɔnko na it might be say ebia one amusa re-elect Dr. Mahmudu Baumia as their flag bearer. It might be say 2028 election the new patriotic party enye de entimin ba entimin wini the election the grassroots say the new administration headed by Honorable Stephen Intim say omutie a few people anu asem but the NPP grassroots nankasa no omunfa omani anaso omunfa omaso ede ema omo mo ya ye book long too much no kreno ewo ho a che say eden mo ka kire the grassroots or grassroots no wo ansem ene no kre bi wo ha mo ye don pese mo ka kire the leadership ba ekama ya ko yese omaka omayere omaka omanu atum nyame ya aduma 31st January 2026 omokoto aba for the NPP presidential election the super delegate conference NPP for ekoyi omo flag bearer on the 31st of January 2026 na enona issues bebre eren pop up recently weekend ya His Excellency Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Echo New York Echo ye some annual meetings bi a every year ewo New York na enumu na odin samutu da say oye very surprised say ne party ni mu bi den kasa tia no say because oye nodna oye mamprusi ni nti osa ye muslim ti ontimi enye den embedi party ni so na omura free say back in 2013 no all defend the party no was Supreme Court after the 2012 election we nkoma former vice president odi tuda say odi ya mebre say the political party ne nkrofo no ma bi ka say oye muslim ti ontimi nya de entimi di president na omuri refi way back 2013 no ono and a defended the political party after the general election 2012 na ekame akwaya say you know the flag bearership race no aye heated ankasa say nkofo be 8 ana oma file say omunya akonya kese na ombeden ombedi yemfa yewura Mamudu Baumia afe so Honorable Kennedy ohine e Japan afe so Honorable Brian e Champon ana Honorable Yao e Dutum and then Crawford 4 yi na me pese yedi omo ho nkomo. These 4 people are omoye likely say akonya no omoye den omo sa betima aka na ye shase free Dr. Mamudu Baumia. If you Dr. Mamudu Baumia, he is from the north. Afe so ohine Kennedy Japan eso central region. Ana Honorable Brian Echampon eso ewo Eastern. Ana Yao Educhum eso afa the Ashanti region. Now it's about time say the grassroots sorry no mu pe the right person or person odi sa akunya kese no because they say party A tuman ne nua Kennedy sorry a obeto ama Baumia sorry a obeto ama Kennedy Brian sorry a okọ Kennedy camp ada MPs a omayi omuhumia. This is not the right time say mo be ye sa niema no say mo pese mo unite your the party NPP a sa eniema we ense emfata because after the election crowd the course nyia no muntimi nyeden muntimi enkambo mu as a political party na mo start eniema we a say we kwotena radio su a na the communicator ato job ama party A we su kwotena so na wato ama ni party no ebema the 2028 election are very very difficult at the amamo party because obia nya ready say obe pre enkabom amama ye one. And it's about time say the founding leaders of the new patriotic party sorry emo mama nyuko because ekama akoya say enkura no ye niema NSEM fata the party go back. This is not the tradition and culture of the NPP. NPP culture and NPP tradition and yet said ye hun insane. Where are the founding leaders? Where are the founding members? Honorable Hackman Owusu Ajiman, the former president, His Excellency John Ajekum Kufuor, Paul Afoko, then amoya abua mo party no. It's about time someone mo party mpenifo no ekasa that the current administration ye niema the party go back to its level. Say niema jinsem no kura no na omo pese omo be ka kire the grassroots. The youth and the grassroots of NPP echese mo yere mo sorry na mo je mo amu party ni esi wo because impanifo na ye omo adwene say enya ade a mo be ka no kura no e de a kire mo yere mo the grassroots mo so na mo to aba no because of abroni inwiamuti ye be di kan eren mo di kan ato the presidential election before constituencies regional, national, Ediaba. And so first, ne enyere, enyere sa, munye enesa. First, mudi kan eto constituency wie. Mu wie amaba regional. Mu free regional mako national. Ansana moyeden moyi mo flag bearer. She say eba ne saying na mo move on from top to down instead of down to top. Because of obi selfish interest. Abroad obi person obo party ninti. Obi selfish interest inti yenya ade a ebe favor one party. Yenya ade ebe favor one person. Most of the NPP people enim say likely or it must say in case you elect party A 2028 election a very difficult amount. Omunim pa so they will still campaign for party A or party B. So obeba no manya sika biare edi afrim. A party ni nkwaso ana mo pe ana say party ni downfall. We a questioner NPP ni bia wo hwe na wuti a ete so obusa ho. Den na yanyama party ni sa beba back. Because you should forget about 2028 election. Yes, because then the governing body, the new government, enya dia ombema mu easy tax. Nti mu amu opposition den na moye as a gaining power back. Den na moye as a party. And kwatena ni media house na watu amani B kwatena ni media house na watu amani A kwatena ni media house na watu amani C. Yemfa unite as one. Mo letter mo de beto mo se mo pese mo yede mo unite as one. Then and amoye. It's about time said the new administration headed by Honorable Stephen Ntim. It is so Kenya ho kakra because these are not a near man, a former chairman, the former chairman, Paul Afoko. Sani mo we untimi ye de emfa ni fie. No. So obema enkola no kwan na ma yed niema NSEM fata niema e de party ni echo back. Always be no or make sure say no kreno na mo yedem mumfa enko. But kame akoye say no obia ye de ope. I just say muni mu communicators no etena se e kire omu the way and how omu yede omu si en communicate anytime omu call for interviews because too much. So wo party A chia na nche se ukwa ko say party B. After all no after the election flag bearership election no munyam beba back as one political party. Inti enei na wo say party A and then I will say party B and then I will say party A after the general election after internal election your general election mu betimi asa back unity na mo hwehwe na betimi aba back no e ba ni sa na ma say unity no because internal politics internal election na eduru say ya then na kire say ye wi a betimi aka ihu abom as a political party ebema enkrofo more na ayeden asa akọ back ebema more na asa free ti je se moye de mode niema etoto na kwan say more a grant amnesty ama ebi minji ni say obi koka ensem ensem fatal mo be man ayer mo be suspend no ba e chese mu yi sa na ma refrim obi ye ade a enye wo party nim obi eye ade a opese ode party ni ba form a e chese mo suspend no so be free mo na wo free because enye we enye mo tradition we enye said o mo ye dem mo de tete the NPP. The year 2000, eba besi 2012, 2016. This is not how another leaders are not then. Omo no mo ye omo niema. Si kama kwa say uwo sika na ye betai wachi. Ha, enye odo. Ene die nipa ye hwe ne ye to aba ne ma na obetima betena so ne ye pe. Ye hwehwe die sika no ye ne ewo ne nsem. Na ya support no eno so na ye de ekumu no eno so na ye de de party ni go back to eniema first na mo de mompe. It's about time say the founding members mo ye de mo sorry na mo kabi because enklanu mu bi ayo mo say de mo be ya no mo be ye e je say mo kire mo say mo na mo te amanyoko no mo na mo te political party no yesi mo wo constitution a eden mudi so eno ana mudi so ankasa na na because you say kama akoye say obia eden eye de ope NPP as a political party then and a moye. Who is the right person for 2028? Why any the right person for 2028? Munjai sikanene ye tai ba kufu echi ye tai nipa ba ku echi edi nsemone no. From now to 2028, se man pe kwan a moyeda mo be unite mo together. Ahwe afa nipa ba ko obetime di monimu a you should forget about 2028 elections. Because the ruling government ebema mo difficult tax. Because omon ba ne betesa. The NDC omon ba ne betesa. We don't know ebiana the current president or best call for the next term. Message ben amode more carry out to your people. Nanado message a odi jam ana say more different message amode more dey be catch mamanfo. A day to election na mu increase fuel prices mu to petrol. A week to elections na mu bie enyuma ene akwan. These are some of your downfalls. We niyama bia amma enkrofo anye de anko out anko to amam. Na sa niyama we ekoso a likely say 2028 will be very, very difficult tax emamo. Ebetimi aba say your parliamentary seat number dem mo betimi agi most. But pass the presidential seat ni there or presidential election there. a very, very difficult. The background amode ne ban message ben or carry. Den or de bre amanfo. Just who is the right person? A questioner, Metuama, the new patriotic party. Ugusu Eshe FPNTV official, our YouTube, any Facebook. Say na da ADEKYE a wo de hwe ya misro aya na wa subscribe ya like maye na share na afoforo so eye den enya bi enhwe we are ankrankra anase wo dwumadie bi apese wo bo hu dewuru ewo ye fidie kese yiso a ye numbers na ye den egu screen so no ofra the marketing team ene obedi nkomo aye nhyehyeye a ebeboa wo na wo so abeton oniema ewo ye fidie eso ene me de nkomo no ebesi ya na elections in the by elections in the ebekoso bia no updates any niema bia from now to 2nd September the ebekoso bia no ye bema ahwefo na etiefo eso ehu the ekoso afei so the internal elections are ebekoso ewo the new patriotic party ye the feedback any interviews any bia so ye ebebrem bidin ede upon boatin.
Satan, hear ye the word of the Lord. It is written, to subvert a man in his cause, appointed by heaven, the Lord permitted it not. In the name of he who died and lay in the grave and arose triumphant on the third day, we speak into play Ibis. We speak to the oracles of Aturos, to the decisions of Orion and Mazarot.